It's been quite some time since I've given myself a big haircut, so that's what we're doing today. As you can see here, these layers are super grown out. So I'm going to attempt to do the butterfly haircut. What I'm looking for is lots of volume and layers, but I still want my length. So here we're taking that front section and we're just going to tie that right there at the forehead. And I'm just making sure everything's smooth as possible. Okay, and then we're going to do the same thing with the back. Make the back a super high pony. Okay, now that we got that, we can start chopping away. I wasn't sure how much to cut off, so I wanted to start off with kind of like 2.5 inches. So I did that first with the front, and then I did it with the back pony as well. Yep, so still here looking crazy, but now we're going to go ahead and remove some of that weight from the ends there. I love these shears for that. Now the most satisfying part is just taking the hair down, and now let's see what we're working with. So this is the thing with this haircut is that you're still not done. As you see here, there's a lot of hair that needs to be removed. We have to kind of connect the front pieces with the back. So that's what you see me doing here. I've also ended up removing some more length just because, I don't know, just thought it would look better. Okay, now we're done with this haircut, and now we have to style and wait for it, wait for it. Look how good when it's styled. When you kind of just curl those ends, they just kind of flip and you could see all the layers. Ah, I love it.